Microwave-assisted synthesis has become a powerful tool for organic chemists in conducting the experiments where the classical procedures do not work. One of our labs has 3 single-mode SAM-discover microwave reactors. 2 of them are equipped with an Explorer robotic system which enables the automatic run-up to 24 small-scale reactions. The third reactor is designed for running the reactions on a larger scale, up to 80 milliliters reaction volume. These reactors allow to maintain microwave power, pressure, temperature, which help to achieve high yield and purity. Let me introduce you Dr. Anastasia Yakovenko, who often uses this technique in her daily work. Anastasia, could you please elaborate more on the reactions you have been dealing so far?
Sure. Hi. We have successfully conducted various types of reactions, such as heterocyclizations, arylations, couplings, using these reactors. For example, this reaction requires only 10 minutes for full completion. For relation of dimethylamine, it proceeds only with 20% within a week under reflux using conventional heating, while in case of microwave irradiation, it gives almost quantitative yield within minutes.
The microwave-assisted method has been a powerful tool in preparation of many compounds. As a result, our chemists employ the advantages of it in order to improve yields of their synthesis and to explore new reactions.